Okay,
I want
what?
to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, hi. Merry Christmas.
Okay, what year is it?
2012.
No, it's 2011.
But I want it to be 2012.
Merry Christmas, 2011.
And Mom hasn't made a video in a really long time since we were babies.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay, so how old are you, Destiny? I guess I can take the display
Can I
off.
open mine?
Which one? Just leave the game for a while.
You
Okay.
just told us it's a game now.
You told me what it was, and you told me what it was. But then when you open it and find out it's not, you're going to be like, oh, good wrapping. Good wrapping, my friend. Now, go lay down. My puppy could lay down here. Sit down, sit down.
Can we open them now?
All right, go!
Open up the present. One at a
Get
time.
some!
One at a
What do you
time.
guys got? What's that? I want some of it. Poor Hannah. We didn't get you anything, Hannah. I'm
First
sorry.
year.
I knew this was a chocolate.
Just because you smelt it.
No, because I felt it.
Yeah! Just make it start making a little
I
start
hope
every
Willy
day.
Wonka gave me a ticket.
Okay, so, oh, let me get a bag. Smart going, Austin. Thanks for that. No.
Austin's right.
Well, I ain't screwing anything up today.
Whoa, that scared me. I just looked in the mirror. I just looked at the angel that just looked in the mirror, and it looked like the angel's eyes were glowing.
I've been
Because the
using
two
these
lights
ones.
that told me. I wanna be Merry Christmas.
Okay, go. Come on.
Sure.
Come on, let's go.
Well, we're trying to give you the track.
Yeah.
Oh, why Dad's got like the biggest. That's where the camera's on.
Wait, can we open them?
Yes, go. I want you to open it. Rapido, rapido. I got the video going, man.
Wrap it up.
I want to be Merry Christmas and a hot. You're mean. You didn't get Hannah this year.
I'll go get her something.
Yeah.
Oh my God! What a erotic knot.
Nerds to go with the nerds.
Hey.
Hey! Just a kidding. What'd you get? Oh, sympathy? Remember that?
I don't know.
Oh.
Put trashes in between you guys. Look. Check it out.
Sorry, I missed. I was trying to make it.
Austin, do you remember this?
No. I used to eat those all the time.
Well, if you don't want it, I will. Oh.
Remember when she used to get even on home house too much? What do you think it is?
It won't open. You put too much tape on it.
Open, 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 open.
You put too much tape on it.
Daddy did it all. Daddy did all the wrapping. He did all the wrapping.
I think you helped.
No, I did the
She
bows.
was moral support.
I did the bows.
She's not looking at me. Don't think I didn't have to do each bow individually either. Because I did. All right.
I did the bows and the
No
tag.
wonder it was squishy. Yeah. Hi, Mom. I'm on TV. What's this big pen?
Turn the stashes though.
I think this.
Hurry up, go. Come on, people.
I want that big.
I'm on camera right now.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Daisy, you're giving us a bag of chips now.
Well, that's what you guys like.
At least that's good.
Oh, why does it look so weird?
Because we bagged it.
There's not a lot of room in here.
Dude.
Dude.
This is what Austin wanted to open first.
Always open the stockings first. The beautiful trees.
I love you guys.
Merry Christmas. Love you.
Love you, man.
I love you.
I can't remember the another.
I know what it is.
I know what it is. guys gotta eat today.
No! I don't want to eat all of this.
You have to.
No. I don't want to eat the candy right now. Save the candy. Oh, they gave me my last one.
Alright, open that up. That's the big one.
So those were the big ones.
This is look big.
They're all big in my book.
They're all big in mine too.
All big in my book. Big, big.
2 hours later.
Like
I knew it was a game.
By the way, kids, it up since 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Ah, dang.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you say
Is that the
dang?
one?
You don't like
It
it?
was Sims 3 pet.
Rock band. Found that one.
And we can't find Sims 3 pets. Sorry. We found it and we got all excited. But it
What's
was,
that, baby?
but it was for the wrong game. It was
Yeah.
for Xbox. We almost like, well, I'm gonna get it.
You have that one?
No.
No.
Which
but
one
it's
is
pretty
it?
cool. It's
Which one
two-
did we-
It's 2 of them.
2 Sims.
Oh, yeah, that's the one. It's the Sims collection. So we thought it would give you an idea. Okay, so what present are you guys gonna open first? These ones?
I want to save those. I want to open those.
Okay.
Let's do.
What to do, what to do. Okay, let's open the
We
together.
want to just do the same then.
Alright, you guys open the together gift first. This is to the both of you.
Opening most of it. Oh, this life. Hannah was telling me to add that.
This is the game lot, huh?
Hannah told me to add life.
She asked me, or asked you, well, you got it now. The reason why is because I'm trying to teach you guys just the regular old stuff about life.
You like it.
Yeah,
This is the only game that we didn't
Pay
get,
with
so
money, do.
this is our game. It's like about, teaches you about everyday life, how to live life.
Like you'll have money and if you're going to car and they'll say, oh, your water pipe busted in your house. That'll
Like
get
real life
$1,200.
stuff, you know,
And you're
man?
like, yeah, that's my money. And like stuff that happens in life.
So I've been trying, I couldn't teach you myself about the game.
What's up?
I don't know. I can't remember.
I know. What's up?
Mom can't remember anything now.
I remember doing the bow and the tag.
It's weird. You must do that. That's all weird.
Oh, why? Oh, yeah. Let's do that, yeah. You guys are getting older now. So we're having to get you older stuff.
It's like
So this is like a little, because you gotta start shaving, and then you can wear mascara. And that's shampoo and rinse.
Yeah.
And you have to start shaving.
Yeah.
You gotta get your stuff to do that, and that's what you do.
Yeah. And then we'll have to show you how to use that to cut
kind of
your
like
face
a
off.
guard dog. Kind of
Which one, Bill?
Those are mine. Mine are white. I think I know what this is.
Yeah, they just grabbed it playing right out of my hand.
I got the video going, man.
Yo.
We got
Not
30
race.
minutes. We got 30 minutes to capture the moments.
Oh, tape
That's why I'm in a hurry. Sorry.
It's Tepig. I knew it.
Do you like that one?
It's Tepig.
Who's that?
Fire type Pokemon. Tepig.
That sounds what you like?
Starter. Oh, it's Pikachu. Yeah.
Well, I was trying to figure out which ones you didn't have.
Tepig,
What is it,
everybody.
Gears of War, are you serious?
Let me see.
I can't even use it.
Why?
Let me see.
There's no Gears of War.
Oh, we got the wrong stuff?
Oh, I'll try.
Yes, you can. It's excellent live Microsoft one. It's not made just for Gears of War.
Oh, that's just
It's
advertising.
just an advertisement.
It's just my
It's
regular
not,
Microsoft.
it's not like the one you talked about where it was Call of Duty.
I didn't even know they had that stuff, so. It's just regular Microsoft points is all it is.
When you watch the videos, you're gonna be seeing me do this. You're gonna be seeing me do something when you guys are talking to Austin.
What were you doing?
I was like this.
Because when I went to look at the other
I
thing,
was
it
like
said
this,
stuff
Mom.
like only things for.
Mom.
Sorry.
Mom, I was like this.
I don't know.
Okay, well,
It's not like we have stuff that goes with stuff, right?
Yeah.
We do?
Wow, box, I was going to this.
oh, well, I was hoping you would like a ball.
Come here. Hey. I got a new camera. Hey, check my finger.
I mean, what?
Camera.
So that what you think?
Why'd you have to tape it in?
Because I want you to shake the box.
It's not a new camera.
Yes, it is.
Look at it.
No, let's check it out first. Ooh, Austin. Move, Daddy. You like?
Oh, it's a new camera case.
You'll see what it is. It's like a camera everything. You like?
What else do you think it is?
So it's a new camera, a camera
Case.
holder, a camera case, and a camera washer.
And a
Dryer.
tripod.
It's a
Put your
tripod.
camera on something and you set it up.
Let's put it. Let's try it with the camera right now.
Right here. So put your camera
Oh,
Okay,
this
cool.
was
You like that?
on. Oh.
You're right here.
Right
Yeah,
there.
do it.
That's right there.
That's what I bought.
Isn't that cool? Now you can, now you can on the table, hey, that's it, on the table, you set it up, or
Oh
put a bunch
wait,
of camera
never
photos.
mind. They're like wrapped up.
So all your Pokemon experiences will be, save the box, yes ma'am. Thank you.
So it's like a tripod where you put your tripod and you know how you keep and you set it on. You could do your
Does
thing.
the tripod get bigger or small? No.
Well, I think it's just a small one, but we can get a bigger one for you later. That's to Austin.
These are all separate.
Oh yeah. That's to Destiny.
I got more presents than Austin.
No, you guys got the same.
No, we got more.
No, you got the same. We made it the
We got
same.
the same.
I think like oh, another box I moved on this. And trash. It's the new Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
Yeah, all right.
You like that?
Show
It's
the
the
camera.
two. And I got you hardback because you love hardback.
You like the hardback one?
I do too, and I
Look at
will.
his dog set.
This one's a do-it-yourself book. You can just do it
What?
yourself.
Just do it yourself, but.
There it is.
Man, that's all. Where's my present?
Sorry, I want you to shake it, dude.
God,
You gotta shake every
cannot.
present.
We ran out of scotch tape, so we had to use like moving tape.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
It's wireless too.
And it has better.
And it's black.
And it's black. You know how you like
Just like your.
Black.
you women.
Just like your women.
Okay, pass out another one, Daddy. Come on, bust a move, Daddy-o.
Alright.
Dad, you just throw it in. Oh, God. And we'll do good.
Oh, my.
What's not? I hurt my nail. I broke a nail.
That's what they do at the school. Trying to get it. They still do that. I love that. What'd you get, sis?
Oh, it's this.
I forgot already what it was.
Oh, your own memory card.
It's another one of your memory cards because we ended up using yours, remember?
It's so funny, that's why we got you another one.
You like? You like?
You like?
Then you
You
gotta
like that one too?
Really have. Seriously, fucking looking at it.
I gotta go to taste good. Where's the... Okay. Sorry, I had to get you clothes.
See, I have one more left, and I have one more.
Where's Austin? He has more too.
It's under it. Did you read in some more?
Okay, now go ahead and we'll open these.
Oh, yeah. I can't see it.
Oh. Do you know what that is, Destiny?
It's a Pokemon set.
Do you like it?
Oh no.
No, it's to video your videos, to make your videos.
It's our own little universe, Reagan there. Univo region.
Do you like it? Okay, well it was like a, we don't know for sure, so it's kind of like one of those.
All I seen was right here.
A hit and miss,
yeah.
It's gonna be skates. I bet it's gonna be skates.
Look.
And I just seen Pokemon. So
Hey, Austin, you're blocking my
Okay.
video. You like?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
So
gonna be
I didn't
good.
get you any
Clothes.
skinny jeans. All I got you was
Ginger.
regular jeans, but I got you.
Skinny jeans are out. We don't need to put your back.
Oh, it's broken.
No, it's not. We already tried it. She's looking at the thing. We already tried to get
The whole.
a new box. We couldn't. The other boxes were working.
There were the other ones.
We already went back.
So
Alright.
this is the only box you could get that wasn't smashed.
Yeah, and that was like better than any other.
Alright, here's a present from
Oh, Austin, I didn't notice this when I first got it.
Awesome, you like
If you like it, if you don't, I'll take it back. But I didn't notice it. But I guess that's like the
Put your
new.
pins in it, dude. You always have
No,
pins.
it's totally like the new cell phone thing. Like no pants have ever been made like that. It's like a new. I
Is it
think
big
it's,
enough for a cell phone?
yeah, that's what I think it's made. That's what I think they started making it
Okay.
for.
Here you go, Destiny.
Look how big it is.
It's
It's,
from
like,
Grandma Fuller.
it's perfect for a cell phone. Look, babe.
That's a Quantum.
Grandma Fuller. Kind of go down. We got you guys boxes too. That's awesome.
I think my box.
Yeah, I really don't know what. Well, I know what Austin's is, but I don't know what. She said she just got you some miscellaneous stuff, 'cause she didn't know. So she got you makeup and all kinds
wow,
of cool
what's that?
stuff. Nice.
Nail polish thing?
Oh, she got me a new case.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you had your old pink one, but that one broke, huh? Does that
Yeah,
have a
the
key
key.
to it?
The key, I couldn't find the key. I lost the key.
I know, but doesn't that? It doesn't need a key to that one, right?
Okay, here it goes.
Nope, it doesn't need a key. Because I couldn't open my other one because I had to, like, use the mic to remove on it. I thought it was going to be a Wii for a second. I'm like, oh my god.
Wee.
Because it looks like a Wii box to me because the way it's white.
Okay.
I'm
think?
gonna do this.
Let me see. Is it the one?
Let's see.
Is it the one? Let's see. It's like the one.
Sweet. Oh, it's turtle blue sky.
Oh, it's totally
It's
different.
not the huge old bulky one either.
That's not the one I was
There's
thinking.
one book for one right there.
Is that what you want?
Oh, how is this one?
Awesome.
I love this wrap too.
Awesome.
It's all, I got a box, and now I got this.